So here's our game plan. First, we'll take a quick trip back in time to see the problem that the cloud was created to solve.
This question. If you've ever been near an IT department, this probably hits close to home. I'm talking about that endless, expensive cycle of buying big, heavy boxes of hardware, spending long nights getting them all set up.
And this slide right here, it just nails the difference. On the left, you've got the old way. We call it on-premises.
Now, you hear the cloud, but it's not just one single thing. It's really a spectrum of services, and they usually get bundled into three main categories. Let's break those down.
First up, we've got Infrastructure as a Service, or IaaS for short. Think of this as the do-it-yourself option in the cloud. It's kind of like leasing an empty plot of land. The vendor provides the land, and in Azure, the perfect example of IaaS is virtual machines. This is what you'd use when you finally networking. This is the crucial connective tissue. Azure Virtual. Okay, so you've got all these digital Lego bricks: compute, storage, networking.